Hey guys, so yes, I got this iPhone for just around 4,800 from toogood.com, which is backed by Flipkart, and here you can see all the details. And this also had one bank offer where I got 10% instant discount, that is around 500 rupees, so the price came down to 4,800 change. And this also falls in the good category guys, and they have different categories like good, very good, superb, depending on the condition of the phone. So my phone is termed as the good, so let's find out if it has any scratches or overall what kind of condition we get. So make sure you watch this without skipping, and also guys, please like and share, also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. So let's begin the video. So it's nicely packed and everything is sealed, and here's the phone. Let's keep it aside and look at the contents. And you are getting the SIM ejector tool and also some paperwork along with 6 months warranty. Yes, you are getting 6 months warranty, which is good, but the charger is not original, and that is also mentioned on the website. This is the only gripe that I have about it, but I will somehow find an original charger somewhere. Anyway, let's move on. Now let's look at the phone condition, which is very important. So as you can see from close up, on top it's very neat, and also on the bottom there are absolutely no scuffs or dents or scratches, and the sides are also, again, you can see no dents or scuffs as such. So definitely looks to be almost new, which is really surprising for a category of good that is mentioned on the website. So you can see here, even on the bottom, everything looks neat, no issue. But yes, there is a small scratch on the back, as you can see. In fact, there are two, but I wouldn't really mind for the price it comes at. So let's boot it up and let's see what is working and what is not, like the camera, sensors and all the stuff. So as you can see, I inserted a SIM and also the Wi-Fi is working. So yes, so far so good. Now let's try and see what is the version that it is running, and luckily it's running only iOS 10, which is good because now I have the choice whether or not I should update to iOS 12. Alright, now let's test this camera and other sensors and all the stuff. So starting with the camera, as you can see, it is working just fine. So the photos are working fine, and let's also try the video. And yes, the video also is working fine, no issues. That's good. And also surprisingly, the home button is very clicky and it almost feels like new, so that is very surprising to see. But I do hear some noise when I press the ring here. It could be normal, but it is just nitpicking guys. Everything is working fine in terms of the home button, and also I tried the fingerprint, and yes, it was also working just fine, so no issues there. Now let's check all the sensors, and I downloaded some app from the app store, and everything seems to be working just fine. As you can see, the sensors are working fine, so that's a good news again. It was delivered just today guys, so far it's been a good experience, but I will definitely update you guys if there is anything that I need to mention. And guys, I got it just as a backup phone or a secondary phone, but definitely I'll try and use it as a daily driver for a few days. So definitely I would say it's a good option if you are looking to buy a second-hand phone, because you are getting 6 months warranty along with the 10-day replacement. So definitely it can be a good alternative for OLX or maybe second-hand market. So that's been it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe. I'll see you soon.